Example 4, solving for one variable. So we want to solve the given equation for r. Here's my given equation. So t equals 4 over 3r minus 5. All you're doing here is rearranging your equation for a different variable. Currently it's solved for t. I want to solve it for r. So I'm trying to get r by itself. Sometimes it might help if you kind of box off the r just to kind of trigger in your brain that that's what we're trying to solve for. So if I want to get r by itself, remember we have to go in the opposite order of operation. So I'm going to start by moving that addition or subtraction first. So I've got this minus 5 here. So I need to go ahead and add that 5 to both sides of my equation here. Sorry, my writing tablet's being ultra sensitive here. Let me just make this a little cleaner here for us. So we added 5, there we go, it's a little bit better. We added 5 to both sides, okay? So that's the addition property. So then it would look something like this. So t plus 5 equals 4/3 r, because this was eliminated. So right here I have 4/3 times r, and I need to get r again by itself. So to do that, whenever we have a fraction that's being multiplied, you could technically divide by the fraction, but we like to multiply instead because it just is a little bit easier. So we're going to go ahead and multiply by what we call the reciprocal, and we're going to do that to both sides of the equation. And when I multiply on the left side over here, I'm really multiplying the entire left side by that 3/4. Okay, and when we do that, we're left with 3/4 times the quantity of t plus 5, and that's just going to be equal to r, because here, notice, my 4's canceled and my 3's canceled because they eliminated one another when I took the reciprocal. So now I have my equation solved for r, and that matches with choice B. R equals 3/4 times t plus 5.